17 must-have tools that every dyer and worker should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional, these tools will make your projects a breeze. The links for each highlighted product can be found in the video description. First up, we have the Vever 25mm Badge Maker Machine, a game changer for anyone wanting to add a personal touch to their creations. Whether you're into crafting or promotional events, this DI button pin maker is perfect. With 1,000 circle manufacture button parts, the possibilities are endless. Next on our list is a lifesaver for those involved in construction or renovation projects. The Drywall Master Tools Plastering Flat Finishing Plaster Box Tool. Say goodbye to uneven surfaces. With its 40 to 63-inch extendable handle, you can achieve a flawless finish even in hard-to-reach places. Now let's talk woodworking. This electric drill milling dowel round rod auxiliary tool is a game changer. It's perfect for crafting dowels with precision and ease. Adjust the blade from 8 mm to 20 mm and you're ready to create perfect dowels for your woodworking projects. Calling all techies and gadget gurus, our fourth pick is the 20-volt impact driver and 31-piece bit set screwdriver laptop repair tools. No more struggling with stubborn screws during repairs. This powerful impact driver, coupled with a versatile bit set, will make your laptop and gadget repairs a breeze. For our heavy-duty projects, we have the Vever 7-inch concrete saw. Whether you're a dyer working on home improvement or a professional in construction, with wheels for easy mobility, it's a must-have for your toolkit. We have the Vever 230 watts SR Flex Shaft Mill with a foot pedal. This versatile tool is a jewelry polishing machine and a rotary stone carving tool, all in one. With a 6.5 mm chuck and hanging flexible design, precision work has never been this comfortable. Next up, we've got something for the automotive enthusiasts. The car bumper repair kit. This garage tool includes a 70 watts plastic welder machine, a welding gun, and a hot stapler. Say goodbye to unsightly bumper damage. This tool makes plastic welding and soldering a breeze. Now let's talk about an essential for every household, the 257-piece home auto repair tool set. From basic hand tools to specialized mechanics tools, this kit has it all. Tackling repairs around the house or under the hood has never been more convenient. For those who value portability and organization, check out the 215-piece home repairing tool set. With a 12-inch wide-mouth open storage bag, this set is perfect for on-the-go repairs. Everything you need, neatly packed and ready to roll. We have the Vever 10 kg full set 5-inch engraving vise. This standard block with ball inlaid diamonds is a jewelry maker's dream. With 34 included attachments, it's an adjustable setting tool that ensures your creations are nothing short of perfection. A tool that's a leather artisan's dream. The Wutai new high-quality sharp leather chisel. This French-style pricking iron set made from die steel is designed for precision leather punching. With sizes ranging from 2.7mm to 3.85mm, it's a must-have for any leatherwork enthusiast. Next up, we have a powerhouse for creatives, the high-speed Ortur Laser Master 3. This laser engraving machine is not just a tool, it's a woodworking marvel. With built-in air assist, it's perfect for precise woodcutting. Let your imagination run wild with this versatile woodworking machine. Now for those who appreciate the art of carpet weaving, behold the Upgrade 2-in-1 electric carpet tufting gun. This handheld marvel takes carpet weaving and flocking to a whole new level. It's a loop pile cut tool and clipper pile all in one, giving you the power to create intricate patterns with ease. For our green-thumbed enthusiasts, we have the Power 21V electric hedge trimmer. This cordless household trimmer is a rechargeable shrub pruning saw that makes tending to your yard a breeze. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to effortless shrubbery maintenance. For our leathercraft aficionados, we have the DIY Stainless Craft Leather Strips Belt Thinning Machine. This manual cowhide leather splitter is a cutting and peeling tool that ensures your leather strips are precisely crafted. Elevate your leather projects with this essential tool. We have a tool that's a game changer for anyone working with electrical projects. The Wire Stripper Manual Wire Stripping Tool. With the ability to strip cables ranging from 1 to 25 mm, this electric peeling machine is a must-have. The hand crank support makes it versatile, allowing you to use it manually or with a hand electric drill for efficient cable peeling. Lastly, now let's shift our focus to artistic precision with the Mini Electric Engraver Pen Set. This compact yet powerful tool is a grinding machine, engraver, and drill all in one. With 3 gears of speeds and cordless, rechargeable capabilities, it offers the versatility you need for various projects. Let's explore the creative potential. There you have it, our 17 must-have tools for dyers and workers. From crafting to woodworking, plastering to heavy-duty cutting, we've got you covered. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews. And as always, happy dyeing